The previous Lucy hadn't been home for 2.5 days, just for camping once on a rainy day. She fell in love with the outdoors. One day she carried a tent tightly into the wilderness. She chose an open, flat space as a secret camping base today. This forest is lush. It's cool. This is a perfect spot for camping. She spread out the tent. No inflatable tent, light and convenient. Initial construction was completed soon. And clear plastic film. Easy to view the external environment. Then just press and plug the support rod inside. The overall structure becomes stable and solid. But considering the high temperature of almost 40 degrees in summer, she still put double protection on the entire tent. Whether it is sunny or rainy, it can be handled calmly. The entrance to the tent is also covered with a roof. It's easier to get in and out and more ceremonial. Then the equipment is moved into the tent from a distance. Put all kinds of daily necessities and equipment on the ground. Complete construction or assembly. Instantly have exquisite camping boards. Then a waterproof plastic sheet is laid on the ground. Place the inflatable sofa on top. With the help of an electric air pump, complete the installation of inflatable sofas and inflatable beds. Because it's getting late, about to enter the night, she set up a camping lamp next to her. Create a warm atmosphere in the evening. Just make the sheets and bedding for the sofa bed. She can lie down and rest at any time. Place a folding table in front of you. Ready to start making dinner. As soon as it got dark, it began to rain. Fortunately, by this time the tent had been set up to protect her from the rain. And she's inside the tent, making iced coffee. Look at the rain outside the window when she rests. Quite decompressive and comfortable. While waiting for the meal to cook, she decides to hide under the covers first. Rest here. After all, the rain is very heavy at this time. She can't go out. The ground becomes damp. It's pouring rain outside the window. The woman who had been hungry all day decided to light the gas tank stove. Start cooking. Before long, the rain stopped. The hot summer becomes refreshing and comfortable. Lucy opened the tent curtain. Ventilate the camp. At this time, the boiled corn is also overripe. Watching TV while eating corn. Cozy and relaxed. Enjoy very much. Wait until the sky is completely dark. She lighting up camp lights near the tent camp. And ignite the little vegetarian coal. Bring warmth at the same time. It also makes Lucy feel a sense of security. Effectively repels beasts and mosquitoes. Into the night. So she puts more lights in the tent. Cozy atmosphere. Make her feel at home. To cope with mosquitoes on summer nights, she prepared a lot of mosquito coils. In the dark mountain forest, Lucy in the tent is camping alone. She added vegetables and tofu to the pot. On the side, chili powder was prepared and vegetable salad was stirred. It just so happened that the outdoor fire had started to burn. Move in and start grilling the steaks. Soon the delicious soup was steaming hot. The sizzling barbecue also makes Lucy very satisfied. Roasted rib and miso soup tonight. It's absolutely delicious. Alone in the wilderness enjoying eating and drinking. A feast for taste buds and vision. Although it seems simple, it's incredibly rich and delicious. After eating and drinking, Lucy lowers the curtains outside the tent, so that the interior is full of privacy. Then turn off the lights in the tent. Lie down in a comfortable quilt and go to bed early. The next morning, the sound of the waterfall in the morning is sweet. Let she wake up early. Simple cleaning up after waking up. Start boiling hot water to make instant noodles. Prepare breakfast. Simply deal with the past. Began to clean up the campground. She drained the air out of the inflatable bed. All kinds of camping equipment folding storage. Finally take the tent back in the car. Embark on a journey to continue camping.